Hello, everyone. I'm here with Nicole Coeburn, owner of the Blue Spoon Cafe, and we're going to ask her a couple questions for our Small Business Saturday Happy Hour. So, Nicole, how long has the Blue Spoon been in business?
We have been in business 3 years and on the track to the 4th year.
That's awesome. What inspired you to open the Blue Spoon?
I was in the industry working for another local restaurant. I had a background in doing business and managing and doing some other things as far as restaurant and bars in the area. And I just have a passion for wanting to help grow Bluefield and bring new things and new flavors and tastes to Bluefield and just be a part of the community.
Great. What is your most popular menu item?
Definitely the chicken salad croissant.
That's my favorite.
Yes,
I get that every time
definitely.
I come in.
That's the most popular.
Okay.
Aside from that, the specials change weekly.
Okay.
So the soups and the quiche and the donut flavors and desserts and sandwich special is always changing weekly. So a lot of people like those menu items because they can switch it up.
It's something new. So what's your favorite thing to make?
Oh, I love baking.
Okay.
I think from the Facebook and Instagram page, you can tell I love baking. But aside from baking, cakes and desserts and things like that, love doing new soup recipes. The quiche is always fun because you can put anything in a quiche and make it wonderful for different seasonal flavors.
Yeah, that makes sense.
That's my favorite thing to do is create seasonal menu items.
Okay. Well, with that being said, what do you wish people knew about the Blue Spoon?
Well, some people are still finding out that we're here.
Okay.
I have a large returning customer basis,
Okay.
but a lot of people are still finding out that we're here. So,
And, I didn't know that you bake cakes out of the Blue Spoon. I thought this was just a restaurant. So I think a
Okay.
lot of people don't know that you also bake cakes for occasions, right?
yes.
Okay.
Yes, I do baking. We do catering. We also rent out the venue for parties.
Oh, good to
You can
know.
rent it out on the weekend for parties, baby showers,
Yeah.
wedding showers, things like that as well. So that's a
Okay.
great thing to touch on.
What is the Blue Spoon doing for Small Business Saturday?
We are going to change it up a little bit this year. Instead of just doing a regular brunch, we are going to do an ugly Christmas sweater brunch.
Oh, I love that.
Yes, it's going to be seasonal. It's going to be fun. You come in wearing your ugly Christmas sweater. Ugly or not, wear a cute
not.
Christmas
Okay.
sweater. It doesn't have to be tacky. Either way, if you're wearing a Christmas sweater, you're going to get a free dessert.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yes, and we are keeping that safe and socially distanced. We have hand sanitizers at the tables. You can wear your mask inside, take it off at your seat, and we are doing reservations. So
Oh,
that's
good.
going to allow a certain amount of people in the restaurant at one time, give us plenty of time to clean in between reservations and get new reservations seated.
So you can shop safe on Small Business Saturday and dine safely on Small Business
Yes.
Saturday. That's great.
And with dining, we'll also have some gift packages put together. We're going to have
Okay.
our Black Dog coffee. We're going to have some Blue Spoon mugs and just offer some different packages already put together if you're looking for a quick
Okay.
gift.
Why is it important to shop small in Bluefield, West Virginia this holiday season?
Bluefield, West Virginia is growing. We're all working together to help downtown grow. And
Sure.
even the businesses that are not in downtown, we all want to come together collectively. So it's so important to come together and to support small business. You can do it from afar. You can purchase gift cards. You
Yeah,
can
that's
place, I'm sure a lot of these facilities will let you call in things to pick up at a later date. There's different ways to support, even if you can't come in store. So just keep
Perfect.
that in mind this holiday season.
Good idea. Y'all, y'all, you heard it here. The Blue Spoon will be open for Small Business Saturday on November 28th. We hope to see you here dining in our downtown. Thank you.
Thank you.